Hi, my name is Wendy Villar, and I'm the General Manager here at Outsourcing Angel. As of late, my focus is in recruitment team, so I stand as the recruitment team leader for Outsourcing Angel.
Hi, my name is Abigail. I am a recruiter specialist, part of a recruitment team here in Outsourcing Angel.
Hi, I'm Annika, and I am one of the recruitment specialists at Outsourcing Angel. My typical working day involves reviewing job postings and sourcing candidates. If the job description is unique, like the VA who has that skills or tools needed by the client is only limited, then that's the time that I will be posting some job ads on social media. I also conduct screenings and interviews, collect additional requirements, and create VA profiles, which will be then submitted to the client. Additionally, I also draft and send work character references to the VA's reference list via email. And also, the typical working day in recruitment is not complete without meetings in between.
So, in my opinion, candidates who are well suited for our Outsourcing Angel should have this combination of key qualities, such as strong communication skills. Here in the virtual world, communication is always the key. Second would be proactive and self-motivated. Be able to take initiative, manage their time effectively, and work independently. So you should be able to start things on your own or seek your supervisor's advice, like manage your time and work without someone watching over you all the time. It's okay to ask questions if you're not sure about something. So when in doubt, don't hesitate to ask. So number 3 would be adaptability and problem solving. The ability to learn new things quickly, can adapt to change. You can also adapt to change and being able to solve problems independently. Another one would be somehow be a tech wizard. Things changes really fast in the VA world with the new tools and tech popping up all the time. So you don't have to know everything about all the technologies, but you should be able to learn new tools quickly and know how to find information online. Like Google is your best friend. Lastly, integrity. Doing the work even without the client monitoring you. So in short, you should demonstrate a high level of professionalism, a proactive attitude, and a willingness to learn and grow.
Now, with continuous learning and development here at Outsourcing Angel, I always tell the VAs that we cannot help them where we don't know. We don't spoon feed VAs. We always empower them to really have the self-awareness on the areas of skills that they'd like to be proficient in, or like increase or upscale their proficiency. Because if they are not willing to go outside of their comfort zone to really relearn or learn something new, learn a new way of going about the work that they're used to doing, no effort would be effective. So it comes with the accountability from the VA. Of course, we have touch points with them. We have check-ins with them for which we ask them a battery of questions wherein we could figure out which area they are interested upskilling in. But of course, at the end of the day, we ask them, is this something you want to do? Because if you say yes, we're going to be all in on board with all the things that you need to learn as long as it's aligned to their VA service to the client.
Well, the recruitment team ensures that every VA stays updated on their application progress. We highlight and really showcase their skills and experience to our clients effectively. And additionally to that, within our internal admin department, we make sure to have regular virtual meetings for VAs to share their experience and challenges and provide support facilitated by our VOM or virtual office manager. And also additionally to that, still within the internal admin department, we arrange team building activities like company trip, local meetup. As you know, the Philippines is composed of islands, right? So yeah, local meetups and online games just to bring us closer and show how important each VA is. And this way, I am pretty sure that everyone will feel appreciated.
Say that we are unique in terms of onboarding process, but we take it from case to case. One thing about outsourcing Angel is we value integrity. That comes in the territory of, you have your own work style. We respect where you came from, your story, your journey, and your personal beliefs, of course, because we work from something that you allow us to as the new VA. We work with them, coach them on certain things that they can improve on so that the client would appreciate more in terms of their ability to communicate and so and so. Now, apart from recruiting the VAs, of course, we put in place a lot of background checks and the reference checks so that we make sure that whatever the candidates claim they are proficient at doing are confirmed and attested. Like somebody claims or somebody confirms that they can do it actually. So we find it really amazing that these candidates have really like good reference people to really confirm what they have contributed previously with their own team. And it's such amazing, like heartwarming if you see all these previous clients or previous colleagues putting in such good words and admiration for how the integrity of these PAs are put into work, especially that they have really contributed well in their company in the past. There are a lot of changes actually for this year. We noticed that, the clients have their own stories and how they brought up their business, how they came up with such amazing ideas, and how they enjoyed really seeing it through to scale and until it became a success. So along with their story, their origin story, one thing that we noticed when it comes to the VAs that usually are successful with these applications are those that align to their story. So clients these days are very, very interested about the story of the VAs, how they came to be, where they started working, which niche of businesses they have supported previously, their reason for, these things not working out, and their future plans for their career progression. So a lot of times, clients always ask the candidates like, what are you working on right now? Or that in the next few years, where do you see yourself? So they'd like to be part of your ongoing story as a VA. So that's why it's very important that we always make sure that our candidates are prepared to really share all these stories and be comfortable sharing where they're coming from and where they're headed, because that's what most clients are really interested getting to know them from.
To tell you the truth, I really enjoy the challenge of matching the right talent with the right opportunities. It creates a sense of accomplishment in me every time we make successful matches, which motivates me to excel in my role.
Well, my go-to friends would be my team because it's always going to be like a team effort here. I don't do dictatorship even if I lead this team. I always consult everybody. And so when I consult everybody, that means that everybody has a voice. We never make decisions that are just based on my thoughts, but on everybody's agreement. But most of the time, I closely work with Abigail and Anika for some aspects of work, but I love all my team members equally.
The toughest part of pairing VAs with the clients is finding the perfect fit. It's like putting together puzzle pieces, making sure the skills and personality are aligned with the client needs. So we aim for natural fit, ensuring both VAs and clients thrive together. And what normally our clients needed is to have a clear communication. Sometimes client may not know what exactly they need, so we help them to figure it out so we can find the perfect VA for the job. And matching a VA's availability with a client's workload can also be a puzzle too. Some of our clients do work on Australian time, like morning shift, but we do get clients who works mid-shift and 2 graveyard shift. So we just need to make sure that everyone's on the same schedule. Also, seeing them receive their earned performance incentives a job well done.
Business owners are really amazing people. They're really smart, and I admire their tenacity and their originality, how creative they are in putting up such amazing ideas and putting it into life, bringing it to life into these businesses. that they're now wanting to scale up with the VA. And so when you ask me, like, if there's anything that we wish as a recruiter that business owners knew about the VAs, they're also the same with these candidates. They're only wanting to really like have the opportunity to take part in this ongoing story and journey with you scaling up your business. Of course, learning curve, a lot of stumbles along the way might be expected, as you know, all new recruits could be. However, if you support the right VA, I'm sure they're gonna be like a valuable member of the team. They start from something like maybe as simple as entry level role. And believe me, I came from that. If you nurture your VA, they can do so much more and free up so much more of your time. Trust Outsourcing Angel. We've been in the business since 2015. It's a personalized, very personalized approach for which we find your VAs. We go through the tedious process of vetting, processing, referencing, and confirming the qualifications of the VAs that we put forward for you to review and meet during the interview. We try to really align to your needs. We try to understand what your current time sink situations are so that the VAs that we put forward have the skills, the background, the experience, and the know-how to really support you exactly where you needed support.